Vertosoft's greatest strength is its hands-on approach with our team. We have worked with the large value-added resellers out there, and they're massive, and they've got teams and teams of people that have a lot of reach, but the amount of attention you get from them is not what Vertosoft offers. The service that Vertosoft offers is not something we get from the very large value-added resellers. So we want very quick turnaround times. We want a lot of hand-holding. We want kid glove service, white glove service, however you want to define it. That's what's drawing our sales team to Vertosoft, and they're coming in droves. As soon as the first 2 or 3 came in, everybody got word, and now they're trying to funnel all business into Vertosoft's hands. We will use Vertosoft's model to reach our government customers more effectively, more efficiently, remain in compliance, and make sure that our government customers stay happy. Government customers don't fire or sue companies if they're happy with them. So happiness is key, and they're getting that with Vertosoft. Now, Vertosoft is our preferred one. If you want to go with one of the large organizations, fine, but you're not going to get the level of service that Vertosoft has to offer.